Welcome to our Python and Google API tutorial, in which today we will discuss how to use Google API to access channel information, get channel ID from its handle, then access the list of all videos, their likes, views, etc., and store that information, and then analyze that information and visualize that information using Python. And for Python, we are going to use Google Colab, and we will write all this code using AI without manually typing these codes. We will enter prompts and ask AI to generate all these codes. And as a result, we will have a data of all the videos, and then we will perform analysis like this, like top 10 videos by views, top 10 videos by likes, and then we will visualize that data like this. So we will do this, all of this in few minutes using the powerful tools provided by Google, such as Google AI. So first of all, we are going to search for Google Console. So this is the link for the Google Cloud Console, and we will click on this link and it will take us to this page. And here we can create APIs and services. So we can access APIs and services. So let's click on this link, and now we are here. And here we can enable APIs and services by clicking on this button. So let's click on this button, and now we have list of APIs. Here we can search for YouTube, and what we are looking for is YouTube Data API version 3. So we will select this one, and then we will click on this one, and now we can manage this API. On this page, we have already enabled this API in our Google console, and in this page we can assign this API to a API key. So we already had an API key, and it is already assigned to that API key automatically. But if you don't have an API key, you can go to the credentials and you can create an API key. And to do that, you can simply click here and select API key. And then you can rename your API key, and you can select any one of these options. And for YouTube API key, you do not have to select these options. None is okay. And you can select restricted or unrestricted, and then you can create the API key. Once the API key is created, you can go here in the enable services, and you can assign your API key to a service or API. So we have assigned the API key 1 to YouTube Data API version 3. So now we can use this API key to access the YouTube Data API version 3, and through that we can access any YouTube channel's statistics. And we can go to credentials, and we can click on this button, and this will show us the API key which we can use in our programming. So when we are done here, we can create a text file, and we can enter our API key here, and then we can close this file and save it. And now let's go to the Google Colab, and let's create a new notebook. And let's call this notebook YouTube channel analysis. And now this file is saved. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to use that API key and we will create a Python code to read data from a channel, and then we will analyze that data using Python. So first of all, we will open this folder, and as you remember, we have saved our API key in a text file. So let's import that file and place it here. So now our API key is available in our uh, Python notebook. So now we can write our Python code here. So first of all, we should know which channels we want to access. So let's go to the YouTube and search for Power BI channel. So this is the official YouTube channel of Microsoft Power BI, and it has this handle. So let's copy this handle and let's write some code to get the channel ID from this handle. However, since we can program through AI, we are not going to manually enter Python code. So we will instead click on this generate button and we will tell the prompt to code for us. So it has already generated the channel ID, which is this one. So it wrote a Python code for us, which accesses the channel using its handle, and then it gets the channel ID of that YouTube channel. And this channel ID is going to be used in our next code to access the statistics of. So in our next prompt, we are going to ask the AI to expand this code and get the channel statistics as well. So let's click on the transform code and let's say using the channel ID and the already available API key, get the list of all videos and all of their statistics such as likes, shares, uploaded, views, comments, etc. So it has appended our previous code, and we can now click on the accept and run to run this code. So let's click here, and now the code is running, and we can close this window, and it has found 421 videos. Now it is still working, and now you can see that it has a list of those videos. So again, we can modify this code and ask it to uh, add the code to save the list in tabular form in a JSON file and save it. Now again, it has made amendments to this code, and we can click on the accept and run now. So let's close this window, and the code is running. So again, it has found some videos, and keep looking at this area because the file that is going to be produced will be saved here. So it says that video statistics saved to Power BI videos.json, and you can see this is the file. So let's download this file and let's open this file. And these are all the videos that it has discovered. And the data contains title, published at, views, likes, and comments. So you can expand these columns. You can ask it to add more columns as well, and it will definitely add those columns too. So so far we have accessed the YouTube channel, and we have stored data into a JSON file. Let's ask it to analyze the data as well. So let's click on the transform code and add some code to analyze the information and create some analytical creations. So let's click on the accept and auto run. As you can see, it is working on the background. It has created a data frame, and now it has added some more codes, and now it is adding more codes. These are basically top 10 videos by views. So it is performing analysis. It has created a list of top 10 videos by views and top 10 videos by likes. So this is the year and video counts. So we can see that in 2025 there are 46 videos, in 2024 there were 66 videos, and so on. The channel actually started in 2016, which has only one video. And it has finished the task. We can close this window. And it has also created some visualizations. So let's look at those. And as you can see, this is the distribution of video views. And then there are distribution of video like, then yearly video count over time, and then we have monthly average video statistics over time. And we can add more visuals, more data analysis. We have simply we have to ask the AI to add more features or modify the existing features it has added. And this is how we can use Google API to analyze information, access the information from YouTube channels, and analyze that information through Python data analysis and visualization. And with this, we end our today's tutorial. Have fun with your coding and see you in the next video.